Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to do a little spend the day with me video. I have been contemplating whether or not to do this video, but here I am. If you are seeing this video, it means I decided to go ahead and film my whole day. And if not, then I guess it doesn't get to see the light of day. It is currently a little after 7 right now, and I woke up about an hour ago. I've just been in my bed scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, and I just decided to come and do this. But first things first, I need a cup of coffee, so I'm gonna fix myself a cup, and I will probably show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna fix myself a cup, so come along and see how I like my coffee. And now I'm gonna enjoy my hot cup of coffee while watching some YouTube videos. I'm always on YouTube. Netflix can miss me, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Living in that space anymore, I still find myself making excuses from time to time in this new space as well. So there really is no end, and there is no perfect moment when you will finally be ready. So start before your mind thinks that you are.
So I'm now going to clean my apartment a bit. Yesterday we took my mom to the airport, so the place is a bit messy because we were all over the place getting her stuff together. I just cooked and I didn't have a lot of time to do the cleaning. As you can see, that big mess behind me, I need to put those plates away and do and clean the ones from last night as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so now that my home is relatively clean, I'm going to sit down and play with my baby. I was going to vacuum, but I can't do that with her in the room, and I can't leave her by herself in the bedroom. I like to take videos and pictures of her while she's sitting down. Oops. while she's sitting down so that I can send them to her aunt's back home. Also just to keep her memories and stuff. She really doesn't want to sit today. I think she might be hungry, so we will continue this a bit later. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. So Malia took a shower and she took her nap. So now we are going to attempt to play again. Hopefully she wants to sit by herself right now. Otherwise, we'll just try again tomorrow. Right? So I realized that it's just going to be easier for me to vacuum while I'm here by myself, because whenever Malia's dad is here, I just don't feel the need or maybe say the desire to vacuum. So I'm going to play Baby Shark for her and vacuum. I realized that the vacuum is not so loud, so I am just going to go ahead and do this. And she's not scared by it, so that's a win-win. So let's get this house cleaned. I'm going to quickly make dinner right now. Malia is watching Baby Shark. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm going to make some dinner, probably make more so that we can have that for the next few days. I have pasta in the fridge, but I'm not gonna eat that because we had that yesterday, so I'm going to go and cook right now, so come along with me.
Kasama niya Valerie. Shusha ko na siya. Yeah.
That is all I had for you guys. That's all for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like for me and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the red subscribe button below. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to see more vlogs, from me, be sure to let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye.